Welcome back to Java tutorials. In this tutorial you will learn about operator in Java and types of operators we generally use in Java. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. So to perform any operations we need operators. Now let's talk about types of operators. The first one is arithmetic operator. These are used to perform mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Modulus returns the division remainder and plus is addition. If you take the same symbol when you are dealing with the strings, then this one performs concatenation operations. Concatenation means it just adds two strings. Suppose if you have hi and second string is everyone, if you concatenate, it brings all together. The second type of operators are relational operators. Relational operators does binary operations, means it prints the boolean value. Boolean means true or false. It does comparisons and prints whether the statement is true or false. The type of relational operations are greater than equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. This is equal to. Equal to means it compares whether both are equal or not. The third one is logical operator. It also does the comparison, but it compares two or more conditions and returns boolean value. The logical operators are and, or, not, and returns true value if all conditions are true. Or, this is the symbol for or. It returns true if any one condition among them is true. And the next one is not. It returns true if the statement is false. It also returns false if the statement is true. This one is very useful if you want to do more comparisons. The next operator in Java is assignment operator. Assignment means equal symbol, just one equal symbol. If it is two equal symbols, we already discussed, this is comparison. Suppose int a equal to 10, int c equal to a, even though you are not assigning any value here. This is the benefit of assignment operator. The next one in Java is instance of operator. Instance is a keyword which we use in Java. It also does the comparison and returns the boolean value, but this one is used once we started with methods and constructors concepts. Next one is unary operator. Unary operator does increment and decrement. Increment means it increases one value and decrement means it reduces to another value. For example, we have taken a is 10 over there. If you give like a plus plus, it takes as 11. So this plus plus is increment operator and minus minus is decrement operator. The last one in today's tutorial is ternary operator. It is also like conditional operator. We can also say this is the shortcut of if and else statements. It takes three operations. It takes three operands and returns the expression which is true. Suppose here we are giving expression and this question mark is ternary operator. This one and this one is ternary operators. If expression is true, then it prints true value, means whatever is there in the expression. If expression is false, it prints this value. This one is just brief review of operators in Java. In my next tutorial, we will see each one by one and some coding examples. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorials. See you in my next video.